So many of you will keep asking like AJ, should I focus on one goal or should I focus on multiple goals while applying the law of attraction or while manifesting? So if you have this question, this video is for you. Or even if you did not have this question, then still this video will help you to understand it better. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe, this is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation, and I believe that all of you are manifesting your goals, desires and dreams and moving forward in your journey and creating some amazing success. So today's video is all about a law of attraction Q&A that so many of you have been asking so many questions in the comment section, and we are trying our best to answer as many questions as possible. So today I am answering one of the key questions that I believe will help so many of you. So this is the question that so many of you keep asking, like AJ, should I focus on one goal or should I focus on multiple goals while applying the law of attraction or manifesting? So the direct answer to this question is you can definitely manifest multiple goals, or many people are manifesting multiple goals at a time. But there are certain situations, or depending upon your state of being, you have to focus on one goal or multiple goals. That varies, and that's what I want all of you to understand. You can focus on multiple goals, but I would highly recommend you to focus on only one goal or your top goal if you are in some of these conditions. If you are very new to law of attraction or these manifestation processes and all, I would highly recommend you to just focus on one goal. Whether it's a small goal or a big goal, it doesn't matter, but just focus on one goal so that you could able to implement all the tools, techniques, processes very well. You could able to focus very well. You could able to think about it very well. You could able to visualize it very well. You could able to focus all your energy very well. Because if you are very new and you start focusing on too many things, you may not able to channelize your energy, you may not able to give all your attention, and then maybe the manifestation won't happen, and very soon you get frustrated and you start telling yourself or telling other people that, oh, law of attraction doesn't work. It happened with many people make this mistake. I don't want you to make this mistake. What I want is, always remember, wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what gets manifested. So that is why if you are new, focus on only one goal. Second, even if you are not new to law of attraction, but you know about the law of attraction for a very long time or maybe few years, but you have tried many things and it's not working for you, then definitely you have been carrying a lot of resistances, a lot of negativities, a lot of fears, a lot of doubts, and that is why the manifestation is not happening. So again, when you are in this condition and you have a skeptic mind and you are doubtful and you focus on too many goals, then again it's not going to work for you. That is why even if you know about law of attraction but you haven't really manifested anything, then in that case also don't focus on too many things, just focus on one goal. And if you are in the second condition, where you are aware about it but not manifesting anything for a long time, then in this case focus on one goal but focus on the smaller goals, not on the bigger one. Because if you are focusing on the bigger one, you already have a lot of resistance. That is why, in spite of knowing you are not manifesting, that is why in this case you have to focus on a smaller goal, one goal, and see how magical it is and how easily you can manifest. Now the third condition is, even if you are knowing about the law of attraction, but you sometimes manifest smaller goals, but when you are manifesting the bigger goals, it's not happening. And then you may be probably focusing on too many goals and it's creating a bigger challenge for you. In this case, put all your focus on your biggest goal, but while focusing on the biggest goal, first you have to ask yourself, what are the fears, doubts or negativities or resistances you have been carrying for it? And focus on this goal, this one goal, but work first on removing the resistances and doubts. There are many videos I have shared in my channel where I have given a lot of ideas, tools, techniques and processes how to remove resistances. In that case, you can go through those videos and learn those tools and processes, focus on this one goal, and then start removing those resistance and then focus on it as positively as possible, and you will definitely manifest. So especially if you fall into any of these three categories, then I would highly recommend, rather than focusing on too many goals or multiple goals, you focus on one goal. Now, many people ask a similar question like, AJ, if I'm focusing on multiple goals, how many goals should I focus? I would say you can focus on 3, 4 goals as well. And if you are an expert and you have been manifesting very well, easily, effortlessly, quickly, then you can even focus on 10 goals. So I want you to make this decision depending upon how easily and effortlessly you are manifesting. If you are a very optimistic guy, if you don't have any resistance, you are always excited, always happy, always energized for manifesting things, and things keep working. And sometimes also if the dreams get delayed, you don't get disheartened, you don't get worried, then in that case you can focus on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 goals. But if it's not like that, if you get disheartened, if you doubt, if you get stuck, then focus on just 2 or 3 goals only. But if you are manifesting very well, otherwise just go with one. So this is the process you need to understand, and you need to strengthen your manifestation muscle. You need to strengthen. Manifestation power is like a muscle. When you keep doing it and expanding it, it gets stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. And that's where the manifestation started happening faster and faster, and you keep shifting to bigger and bigger platform, bigger and bigger dreams. So, my friend, it's always possible to manifest many goals at a time, focusing on many goals at a time, but you have to be aware about your journey, about your power, and go slow if you are struggling. Take baby steps, and definitely you will become stronger and faster, and soon you will start running fast and start manifesting fast. So I want all of you to keep manifesting your goals, desires and dreams. And I know that all of you have the power to manifest your desire. So go forward, manifest your dreams. And if this video has helped you, or if you are having this particular question and this video has cleared your doubts, then do let me know in the comment section. If this video was helpful to you, then hit the like button. And if you are new here in our awesome tribe, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. And I'm immensely happy and grateful to all of you for all your love and support. If you want to learn more tools and techniques, you can check Awesome is the Academy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome.